Shit.
Alright, Freddie, if we go 20-0, I'll order a pizza to your house.
No, take it.
Search and destroy.
I'll do it. We just gotta go 20-0 first.
Right. It's probably gonna actually cheat on him.
Clear the
Do
objective.
you always snipe when you go off top A?
Bomb acquired.
Pretty much.
You feel like it works out the best?
Yeah.
No nades. Mirage. Ooh, stun action. He's down here, he's down here. He's stunned, check him out,
I got you.
Got a middle
homie.
hallway. Got a middle hallway. I get that middle hallway nade all the day.
I plant the bomb in the bin.
Oh, come on.
Good job. Get
Kinda
ready for the
safe,
next
Like
round.
that?
You kinda safe, Chase. Kinda sorta.
I was like, maybe I'll look fun.
Found him.
Man, I'm not getting anyone.
Switching operation ready point. Search and destroy.
I have 13 friend requests. All of them are ads.
Oh.
Protect the
It's so hard to
objectives.
find good people. I wish you would have found that one guy who's like, yeah, I'm looking for a long-term team, and like, he already said he had a couple trophies.
B! B!
We got middle
Switching, I'm
hallway.
switching.
You sure? I don't see anyone.
Well, I needed someone and he stunned me, but...
Yeah, they're coming. Top. They're a catwalk.
I got
they're
stun on
catwalk.
stairs, stun on their
They're
stairs.
catwalk. Jason. Hallway. Last guy's hallway.
Good job, squad. Get ready for the next
Dude,
round.
I cleared him too. I fucking hurdled him. Like, I ain't got time for that bullshit. Never!
I was gonna ask him, how did you get there and he got there? I died. And he
Switching
there, and then I
operation
went to
ready
kill him, you guys
point.
are switch.
Search and destroy.
Dude, anytime I ask person questions to text and they send me a
Eliminate
voice
the
message back,
objective.
don't even listen to that
We
shit,
got the
remove.
bomb.
Ain't nobody got time for that. He's standing over there to the
The
left.
voicemails on your phone?
No, not at all. Not a
I
chance.
hate voicemails. My mom says them all the time. That's their catwalk.
He's
Bomb
one
drop.
shot, coming down the stairs, he's lagging so hard. Catwalk, one shot. He got him. He's dead.
Good idiot for pushing out like that. I'm gonna say their catwalk.
Charges acquired. Good job, squad. Get ready for
He
the
sent
next
me
round.
2 voice messages. He sent me 2
Sometimes I
voice
like when
messages.
they send me voice messages, because I can hear if they're older or younger right away.
Switching sides. Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
No one in the hallway. Heard them in train, they're in train. Got one you. Got him stunned in you.
Switch to A,
Got a middle
Penny,
train.
we haven't done already.
Got a middle train.
Shit.
I'm done, oh wow.
Did you see that shot, Penny?
That's bomb, Jason, that's bomb.
I was watching for any.
Of course it was.
It was so nasty.
L-U.
Good job, squad. Get ready for the next round.
I followed him through the wall like for 3 days.
W! He's in the W!
For the kids.
Switching sides.
Let's go A again.
Search and destroy. Neutralize the objective.
Coming down from top, yeah.
We got the bomb.
I got at least one or two. I hear him throwing his grenade. I'm probably gonna get one. He's going to rush his catwalk. No frickin' way. I don't understand stuff like that, dude. That was frickin' bullcrap. Dead red. Frickin' bullcrap.
Penny, we gotta kick one off here.
Yeah, get out of here, dick. You're gonna get. He's gonna be middle train. Jason, he's not gonna flank you. He's gonna be middle trains are easy. I bet you he jumps in train and probably jumps up top. Oh! Plant that, plant that, plant that. Panic. I would go short. Get ready for this guy.
Bomb online.
There's someone there, man.
Panic that train. Panic that train. Jason, if you yeah.
Man,
He ran out. He dipped. He ran the other way.
You're all that remains. Finish the mission.
Here to my left.
Check the bomb.
I
Yeah.
hear it. Let's put it up.
Dip. Oh, what an idiot.
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
Why didn't he follow you?
Mm. Maybe if I crouch, I'll stop getting raped.
Halftime.
Bro, 5-0.
Search and destroy.
Dude, stomping kids.
I'm gonna snipe middle.
Protect the objective.
Punch you in the gonads.
You won't do it. Fucked up that nade.
They're gonna go B. I mean, they're gonna go A, my bad.
Yeah, they're nading over here. One's in the train already. One's next to me.
I'm watching train. I'm watching train, Jason. Yeah, I'm crossing over.
Stun me. You stun me. You stun me.
Alright. No. Let's see if I see the other guy on the screen.
Complete the mission. You're the only one left.
Jesus.
We lost that round,
So
but it's not over
skippy.
yet. Step up.
I got stuck.
That one kid, main Rex, is just skipping.
Is he back there with you?
You lucky you followed my shot.
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
Go B. I'm gonna come down from top catwalk.
Clear the objectives.
I can't believe he killed me up there.
Charges acquired.
I hate sitting in this game is the absolute worst.
He's got me stunned. I got him stunned real
Hey,
bad.
hold on. I'm coming down from top B. Give me a second. I got him. I'm coming right behind him.
One shot to the...
Got him.
Yeah, there you go.
Just get fucking train wrecked. We don't got time for you now.
Charges set.
He's gonna be catwalk or train. I don't think trains. Okay, trains is locked. Trains is locked right now. I'm on the catwalk. Someone watch bomb. Your eyes on bomb.
I've been running over it.
Okay.
Man, you're not dying.
Yes, I got it.
I was going for the 360, dude. Why?
I shot it through you.
I wish you let me do the 360. Just land. Oh my god.
What 360? You were doing any 360.
Yeah, what
I-
360?
I was doing 360 in the ticket.
Solid
Oh,
execution.
fine.
Good job.
Dude, I was gonna do it again after that one shot. He came back.
Yeah.
What 360?